Well, good morning. It's actually not morning. It's after 12 o'clock noon. Let's get in here and get busy. Show you what I got going on. Besides actually have it going on. He's waiting for me to open the door. So, yeah, I didn't get a chance to reassemble the bike because, well, I rode the grass cutter yesterday all day. Yeah. So, let's get busy. Well, we're going to take it out for a test drive. We're going to take it easy. Well, it's a couple hours later, and as you've seen, we put about 12, 14 miles on the bike with the new tire. Performed good. It's broke in, or semi-broke in, but we have a slight dilemma with our trip coming up to Moyers, Oklahoma, because up here in Kansas City, and probably a little bit south of Kansas City, they're forecasting 80-90% chances of rain. So the dilemma is, we've talked about it, possibly, and I've never done this on a trip, was trailering the bike. I have a buddy that lives an hour south of Kansas City, and I have another friend that lives, actually a subscriber, that lives in southeast Kansas, who I tried to call, and we could possibly trailer the bike down that far and head on down to Moyers, Oklahoma. And I have to be back here by Friday afternoon, Saturday morning at the latest when the bank opens up. So, yeah, what do you do? So, the forecast for down there in Oklahoma is perfect. 70s, 79, couple days maybe, and I want to get Kim out there and get some wind therapy with me. So, yeah. I know that there's a tow haul mode, and I'll have to research it. If you know what the tow haul mode is, how to turn that on and off, leave me a comment in the comment section. I'll have to look at my manual and probably my owner's manual if I can find it. Because I don't want the battery going dead in the trailer on the way down there. You know, if we trailer, it's probably about 60 to 90 miles, something like that, with a pickup. Burning diesel, $5 a gallon. My gosh. So, yeah. I got some tools to pick up over right there. Yeah, right there. And put away. And yeah, I know there's a drawer open. Drives some of you guys crazy. So, yeah. Anyway, I don't want to ruin her first trip in the rain. So, I'm not afraid to ride in the rain, but I don't want to make it feel bad and look bad, because once you get in the rain, you might get a little chilly, and I just want her to have a good experience. So, trailer and the bike, hey, judge me if you want. I don't care. So, yeah. That's about all I need to tell you, and so we're gonna have a good time and all that good stuff. So, and I want her to have a good experience on her first trip. So, Leave me a comment down below again if you know that how to get in that tow haul mode. And yeah, I'll probably do some research before we leave. So anyway, y'all have a good night. Stay out of trouble. Say hi to a stranger. Thank a veteran. Be kind to each other and love each other. We'll see you all on the next one. Say bye. Say bye. Tell them. Tell them. Tell them. Yeah, tell them. Tell them.